Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Now act. Open the Notes app on your device or visit iCloud. Calm and go straight to the recently deleted folder. If you see the missing note there, select it and choose Recover. Once done, it returns to the original folder. Make sure you're on the same Apple ID and have two-factor authentication completed. Otherwise, recovery won't sync between devices. This step moves deleted notes back quickly, so don't skip verifying your account now. If recently deleted didn't help, broaden the search. You can search by keywords, titles, or attachment types. Use the search bar in Notes or iCloud. Calm. If nothing appears, check iCloud Drive backups or a local Finder/iTunes backup from before the deletion. Restore that backup to recover notes stored in system snapshots. Be cautious. Restoring a backup will overwrite current device data, so make a fresh backup first. Once you restore, open Notes and allow time to complete the process by forcing a sync. Go to iCloud settings, toggle Notes off and on, then wait 1 to 2 minutes for resync. This often resolves stuck items. Also inspect other devices signed into the same Apple ID and any email accounts that may store notes. If notes remain missing, gather backup dates, device model, and logs, then contact Apple support for deeper recovery options. One key troubleshooting tip: don't create new notes in the same folders until recovery finishes. New data can complicate restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.